Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's Fast 5 workout number 17 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, vertical jumps. Number 2, reverse lunges. Number 3, ab crossovers. And number 4, quick feet. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 17. Number 1, we got vertical jumps. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go about feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna crouch down, and then we're just gonna jump up as high as we can. And we're gonna do this as many times as we can in 30 seconds. So vertical jumps is number 1. Number 2, we got reverse lunges. So I'm gonna go and start with my right foot back. I'm gonna step back, and then I'm gonna go down and up, down and up. I'm gonna do this 5 times on my right side. Switch it over, do 5 times on my left, down and up, down and up. So that's reverse lunges. Number 3, we got ab crossover. So I'm gonna go and place my right hand out, my right leg is gonna go up, and then I'm gonna try to get my left elbow to touch my right knee. And I'm gonna cross over, I'm gonna do this 3, 4, 5, and then I'm gonna switch. Opposite side, left hand is out, right elbow touches your left knee. Okay, we're gonna go 5 on each side, switch it up. Last one, we're gonna go quick feet, so we're just gonna chop in place, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. You wanna try to keep your heel off the ground as much as possible, on your toes, quick feet, okay? So get ready to go. That is Fast 5 workout number 17. We'll get started in just a moment. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go. Drop down and up as high as you can. Oh, I'm not jumping as high as the ceiling. Let's go. Vertical jumps. Get low and jump. Explode. Use your legs to propel you up. Let's go. Vertical jumps. You're doing great. Keep up the good. Rewind. Keep up the great work. Let's go. All right, let's go. Reverse lunges. Right leg back and down, up. Remember, we're gonna do this 5 times and then switch. Woo. 4, 5. I hope you guys are enjoying these Fast 5 workouts. We now have 16 live Fast 5 workouts. This is number 17, my friends. Woo. Oh, they're burning. My quads and hamstrings are burning. All right, we're gonna go ahead and do those ab crossovers on your backs. We'll start with our left hand out, left leg up, right hand behind your head. We're gonna cross over starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Cross over, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Let's go. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quickly on your feet. Let's go. Let's go. Quick chops. Go. Quick, 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 quick. Stay on your toes the whole time, let's go. 30 seconds, let's go. Move, move, move. Woo. I know, I'm getting tired. If you're getting tired, it's okay. We're in this together, my friends, just finish. And time, 1 minute rest. Woo. Holy guacamole. Woo. Definitely one of the more challenging Fast 5 workouts I've done. I hope you guys enjoy it. Start back up the top. We got vertical jumps, reverse lunges, ab crossovers, as well as quick feet. We're halfway done, my friends. Just finish. Remember the motto, just finish. Whatever you guys do in life, just finish. You start a project, you start a class, you start music, some type of instrument, just finish. Keep working hard at it. The longer you do it, the more time you put in, more time and effort you put into something, the better it's gonna make yourself, and the more you're gonna grow. Right, got 5 seconds left. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Let's go, vertical jumps. I want you to really explode this round. Nice job, keep it up, let's go. Ooh, explode. All right, let's go, reverse lunges. Rolling back and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, switch. Woo! Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth. Just finish, my friends. Oh, I feel it. But I'm working hard. Get this together, my friends. All right, we got those ab crossovers. Let's go. 2 more. You can do it. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Try to get your elbow to touch your knee. 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. 1. All right, on the feet, let's go, let's go. Quick feet, quick feet. Quick feet. No, heels on the floor, let's go. Let's go. Cha, 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 cha. Quick feet. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, just finished. 1. And time. Nice job, my friends. You did an amazing job putting this workout. Give yourself a high five. All right, tap yourself on the back. Here's a virtual fist bump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this Fast 5 workout number 17. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you thought was the most challenging exercise and why. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.